Let me tell you a little bit about our Alfred Connect V2 smart lock Wi-Fi integration system. If you want to take the benefits of your smart door lock and to be utilized while you're not at home, or maybe you're at the office or traveling abroad, by adding the Wi-Fi Connect V2, you can now control your lock from anywhere in the world. Utilizing your home's Wi-Fi connection to your lock, you can now utilize your Alfred Home Smart app to lock, unlock, or get notifications of when somebody's opening your door. Some scenarios where this is handy is, say you're traveling or you're at the office and you need to let somebody in at your door. What you can do is you can open your smart home app on your device, select your front door and unlock it, utilizing the Wi-Fi at your home to talk to your lock. For more information on our Alfred Connect V2 Wi-Fi integration system, head over to alfredlocks.com or to any of your local retailers that are selling Alfred products.